Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's begin with the shortest code, and that is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code which should open the calendar information. It is *##225###. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another technical code, which is *##426###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here you've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again, and as you can see, we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last being, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let's begin with phone information. Here we've got the details like the email number, for example, data service or voice service. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why we cannot find the information. Under it, you can also run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. You can enter usage statistics, and for some reason this option does not work lately. So basically here we should have the list of all apps which you've been using and the specific time you've spent on them. Here Wi-Fi information, so as you can see it does not work also. However, here you will be able to check the specification of the Wi-Fi connection, for example the name of it or SSID. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.